Hi, welcome to Bit, the world's most powerful document collaboration platform. Bit documents are modern and interactive, allowing you to add just about any type of digital content to your document. In this video, we'll show you how you can easily add Twitter posts inside of your Bit documents. Go to the Twitter platform and open up the post you want to embed. Click on the share icon on the bottom right-hand corner of the post. Then select the copy link to tweet option. Now go to Bit.ai and open up a Bit document. Click on a blank line and paste the web link. You'll see that Bit automatically renders the Twitter post inside of your document. Bit has rich embed integrations with over 100 plus different applications. To learn more about our other integrations, watch our other videos. Bit.ai, the world's most powerful document collaboration platform.